Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be preparing for our 5 off $25 scenarios. We have tons of deals and coupon matchups to look at. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a ton of DG videos for you all this week. We've got new clearance markdowns. We had tons and tons of penny items on the penny list. We had surprise pennies. Plus, I even found some penny items in the Christmas sale. And on top of that, we also have some amazing run deals on laundry products this week at Dollar General. Now, I do want to give you all a quick update on the Tide run glitch that started on Sunday. That is now a dead deal, unfortunately. But no worries, because we still have tons of awesome deals going on at Dollar General this week. So let's go ahead and start off with a few sales that are going on. We have the Lawn and Garden, Spring and Summer, and Green Dot Home Decor. Those are on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free. I also wanted to point out this sale right here on the Comfort Bay pillows. These are normally $8 each, and they're buy 1, get 1 free this week. So it's a really awesome deal. Now, another really good sale, we have buy 1, get 1 free on the Toss pillows. These start out at $5 each. Now, these are the regular Toss pillows that Dollar General always carries. These are not the dot category pillows. Now, another good deal, which I think would be perfect for a 5 off $25 scenario, we have the Mr. Clean mops and brooms and sponges. These are normally $12 to $15 each. They're buy 1 and get the refill head for free. Next up, we have Ajax, Palmolive, Suavitel, and Fabuloso on sale. Buy 2, get 1 for free, so you can mix and match. And then don't forget about our instant savings on Arm & Hammer. So you're instantly going to save $5 when you spend $15 on Arm & Hammer brand products. I did discuss this in the Run Deals video from earlier, so if you missed that, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And if you all plan on including the instant savings in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, make sure that y'all stay tuned and turn on those notifications, because I will be uploading our 5 off $25 scenarios video later on today, and we will discuss what you need to be aware of as far as adding instant savings in with your 5 off 25s. Alright guys, now let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the deals. And like I said, we have tons of awesome deals going on between the sales, the coupon matchups, the cashback offers, instant savings. We have some amazing DG store coupons that we can stack with our manufacturer coupons this week. So our 5 off $25 scenarios are going to be fantastic. Now, with these 5 off $25 prep videos, this is something that I just started last week. So you guys feel free to leave me some feedback down in the comment section below. What do you think about it? Do you like seeing all of the deals at the end of the week? For me personally, I find it helpful just because usually if I make these videos and like post them at the beginning of the week on Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, we end up having a lot more coupon matchups that show up on Wednesday and Thursday. And so I was just thinking it would be nice to have a video right before our 5 off $25 scenarios that everybody can watch. We can see all of the deals of the week, all of the best coupon matchups, see exactly what is going on. And for me, that just really helps me whenever I go to put together my scenarios. And also it helps me with having a backup plan, having a few substitutions, things like that. So I thought it might be helpful for you all as well. But you guys, let me know what y'all think about it down in the comment section below. I know that a lot of people watched it last week. A few people were worried if I was going to still post the 5 off $25 scenarios videos. I will still be doing that. Every single Friday I have those up unless something happens. Then I will post it first thing Saturday morning. Now moving forward, if you guys seem to like these videos toward the end of the week, I do plan on moving it back to Thursday. So I'll post our 5 off $25 prep video on Thursday, and then I'll upload the 5 off $25 scenario video on Friday, just like normal. Now, another thing that I wanted to mention is that this week we only had, I believe, 2 or 3 new glitches, and I did include them into this video instead of making a full separate glitch list video for you all. Now, if you need some more glitches and filler items, I did upload the giant glitch list video, I believe about a week and a half ago. So that video is still listed and linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And most of those glitches are still good to go for this week. So make sure that you check out that video if you haven't already. Now, I'm going to turn on a little bit of background music, and I'll be back with y'all here in just a few minutes. Alright guys, now we've almost made it to the end of the video now, so I just wanted to pop back in with a couple more things that I wanted to share with you all. Number one, I do want to say welcome to all of our new crazy couponers out there. Thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. I did make a post for you all over on the community tab, so make sure that you go and check it out. Also, I wanted to remind everybody about our rebate apps. We don't want to leave any money on the table, so make sure that you're signed up for Inbox Dollars, Fetch Rewards, Ibotta, P&G, Johnson & Johnson's. There's a ton of them. I have all of those that I use in the pinned comment down below, so make sure that you check that out as well. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. I truly believe that the couponing community and the penny shopping community are one of the most generous and helpful communities on YouTube. So while you're at it, don't forget to help your girl out. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications. Hit that thumbs up button. That is one of the most important things that you can do. Hit that thumbs up button. It'll only take a second. And then leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.